If you're still using AI like ChatGPT or Claude one question at a time, you're already behind. Researchers in 2026 aren't just using AI. They're building complete research systems. And today I'll show you exactly how. Stay until the end because I'll also show you one research workspace that completely changed how I work. If you're serious about AI, research, PhDs, and academic productivity, subscribe because every week we test the newest AI tools so you don't waste your time on the wrong ones. Most researchers have the same workflow. Claude for writing, ChatGPT for brainstorming, Consensus for papers, Notebook.lm for notes, PDFs everywhere, notes everywhere. And after a month, nobody even remembers where anything is. The real problem isn't AI anymore. It's research chaos. Now Multilo appears naturally. This is exactly why I started using Multilo. Not because it's another AI chatbot, because it thinks like a research workspace. Instead of opening 6 different apps, your papers, notes, datasets, AI conversations, literature review, all stay inside one project. No selling. No best AI. Just solving the problem. Main topic. Now start today's topic. If today's title is The Real Reason Researchers Are Switching to Claude in 2026, then immediately start showing Claude. Projects, skills, cowork, consensus, everything. After every section, naturally compare. Example. Claude projects are fantastic. They keep your prompts together. But eventually you'll notice something. Your research still lives across multiple tools. That's where Multilo takes the next step. Instead of organizing prompts, it organizes the entire research project. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and you want to become better at AI research, we've already covered Claude, Notebook, OpenAlex, Consensus, free AI tools, literature reviews, and dozens of research workflows. You'll find the complete playlist on our channel after this video. Only 20 seconds. Then continue. Ending. Summarize. I honestly think AI is changing research faster than universities are. The researchers who succeed won't be the ones using the most AI. They'll be the ones building the smartest workflows. That's the biggest takeaway from today's video. Now I want to hear from you. What should we test next? Claude? ChatGPT? Gemini? Perplexity? Or another AI research tool? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.